Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and today we're out here with another awesome prize. It's a 1970 Triumph Bonneville, and you can win this one on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. This bike has been drawn on the 19th of January at 9 p.m. So what we got here, it's a 1970 Triumph Bonneville 650cc. It's been fully restored over the past 10 years. Looks great with new chrome rims, stainless steel spokes, new paint job, new silencers, engine rebuild. I think it's just the top end on this one. So yeah, really nice, lovely machine. Being the 1970, it's the last year of the separate oil tank before they went oil in frame. So it's probably one of the most desirable Triumphs you can have in your collection. Matching engine and frame numbers, so it's got its original engine basically. So what I'm going to do now, I'll start her up. It is cold. Put our ignition key on, which is on the left. Pipe's nice and cold. We've got a choke up here on the right. You push that forward, which is loose cable choke. Got two fuel taps, one's a reserve. It's usually the left-hand tap, which is a reserve. The reason is because usually your left hand's free because you haven't got it on the throttle when you're riding. So put both of those on. You've got your ticklers here, so you need to prime the carbs with fuel. Same on the left-hand side. And then we give it a kick and see if she fires up. So just a bit more choke, it might take a little while to warm up. It is very cold today as well. But you can't beat the sound of a British twin being a 650cc. It really rips when you give it a few revs. So we probably won't be able to warm it up fully in this video. Probably going to take 2 or 3 minutes to get up to temperature before we can take the choke off. You get a bit of an idea of what it sounds like and how it starts. And she kind of ticks over straight away. Car's been set up very well. Other nice things are you got your twin vented drum front brake. It's one of the best British front brakes you can have on a bike. Nice, fully painted. There's the English version, so you got your painted guards, and you haven't got your teardrop tank, and you've got some more straight flat bars rather than the American style. Nice twin clocks. Yeah, sounds great. So turn it off. Got your key there, which is off, and your fuel off, and that's it really. So like I said, if you fancy a ticket on this one, they're $3.99, and this one will be drawn on the 19th of January at 9 p.m. So grab yourself a ticket and good luck if you do enter. Thank you.